Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's learn about subnets in AWS. So here I have two types of subnets in AWS. One is public subnet and one is private subnet. Let's understand the difference between those subnets. Okay, so as you can see my screen, uh, this diagram is from AWS site. Okay, so this is my outer region is my region in AWS. Let's say it is my AP South 1 region. Okay, inside this region my whole infrastructure is been set up. This is my VPC, AWS VPC. Second layer is my AWS VPC. Basically it consists of this subnet mask, so 10.0.0.0/16, and in that VPC I have two subnets. One is public subnet and one is private subnet. Okay, so public subnet consists of 10.0.0.0/24 and private subnet consists of 10.0.1.0/24. So why database servers are stored in private subnet and web servers are in public subnet? Let's understand that. So let's say if internet wants to establish the connection directly with the database servers, it won't be happening here because there is a NAT gateway in between. So whenever database server reaches to the internet, it goes via NAT gateway. Okay, so as you can see, there are two route tables here. One is for public subnet and one is for private subnet. So let's understand this route table. Okay, so first route is for local. Okay, that means instances can talk within the VPC, so that is a local route. And second route table is for 0.0.0.0/0. That means any destination should go via internet gateway, IGW. So for example, I'm logged into this box, and if I ping google.com, it will directly go via internet gateway. Okay, it will prefer that route. And in private subnet there is a route table. First route is safe for talking within a VPC, for talking of instances within a VPC, and second route states that any destination should go via NAT gateway ID, NAT gateway. Okay, that means if I want to reach internet from my private server, let's say if I want to ping facebook.com or google.com from this database server, it will prefer this route. It will go via NAT gateway. So guys, NAT gateway will reach to the internet by masking its IP. So on again, NAT gateway also has its elastic IP. So for when it goes to the internet, it will mask its original IP. Okay, and basic difference between private subnet and public subnet is instances present in public subnet must have public IP, which is elastic IP. So this is the basic difference. I hope you guys understood difference between private subnet and public subnet. So thank you for watching my video guys. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.